Do this exercise 1 minute every day to get rid of back pain. Remember, your spine has to stretch out in order to be at full length and capacity. Do this for intervals of 1 to 2 minutes, and then you repeat that cycle every couple hours throughout the day to allow the lumbar, the spine, and the discs to expand properly. This is also going to get rid of tension that's stuck inside of the neck, the lower back, the legs. It's going to help lower blood pressure. It's going to activate the parasympathetic nervous system to prep you before your sleep, to get you feeling rested and ready for bed. So this is how you guys do it. You combine it with a little bit of magnesium to help you fall asleep as well, to stimulate the GABA, peace hormone, neurotransmitter that controls everything else in the body.